I know this is not the most exciting, but we needed more food storage. I did a ton of research and I stuck with Pyrex because they really are amazing. It's the Tupperware I've used forever, specifically because they are glass, made in the USA, and you get every single size you want. You can pick any variation of these you want. And I got the set of rectangular different glass storage containers, as I wanted the bigger containers in particular. You can get whatever options you want with these. They have the little round glass bowls, the larger ones, you can keep going. And what's so nice about this is obviously you can microwave in this, you can also bake in this, and I feel really, really good about storing my food in glass. Now, obviously the lids are not glass. The lids are plastic. They are BPA-free plastic. You can use these in the microwave, in the dishwasher, and they do hold up really well. I have used Pyrex for a very long time, and some of my lids have gotten a little more brittle. I haven't broken one yet out of my set, but I have seen them break. You can fortunately get more lids with time too, and they do just clamp right on, and they have a really, really nice airtight, watertight seal, which holds up beautifully. Now again, with that seal, I will tell you also that as you use these over the years, that seal will not be as strong as it is at the start, so don't trust these sideways. These are definitely meant to be set in a normal position, so gravity is working as you'd expect. And since it is plastic on the top, I don't really want my food to touch the plastic, so I keep my food slightly below those plastic tops. But in this set, the main piece I was going for is this big one, because my family of 4 needed the big one. I kept having to separate dishes into multiple Pyrex containers when I just needed one large container. So I'm really excited to have this big one. I don't even know how large it is. Ooh, it does say. This is the 2 liter, and it does have it in writing. It's actually raised writing on the bottom, but you read through the top. That's kind of fun. I don't actually think I ever noticed that before. And another nice piece is that these are all stackable, so you can just put them all together and you're ready to go. This is so nice to pack cleanly into storage, and it's ready when you are. There's really not much to say about Pyrex. I think they're a pretty well-known household name, and there's really good reason for it. These really are exceptional. If you have not tried Pyrex yet, I cannot recommend them enough. For the most part, I doubt many people will watch this video because most people already know how incredible these are.